Greetings YouTube. Today we have the ultimate Toyota Corolla modification. We have some aftermarket brake rotors and brake pads from Nakamoto. Superior brand, of course. Let's see what we got. I undid all the plastic and opened this up for the sake of the video. But, starting with the brake rotors. Wow. And I am impressed. These actually have good weight to them. Now, for the Toyota Corolla, it doesn't even go that fast, but that doesn't matter. Braking is extremely important when driving. That's why you must always maintain your brakes and tires. Now these are some quality rollers. Over here we have some brake pads. Oh, it seems that they have given us 4. I guess a replacement pair for when the original ones were out. That's actually extremely considerate and thoughtful of them. Now, since the Toyota Corolla only has the front 2 brake system, I only have the pair. But I'm ultimately extremely impressed with these rotors. I also have a 335i, and honestly, these rotors are heavier than the brake rotors on my 335i. Although they are about 2 inches shorter, I'd say these rotors are extremely refined. I'm impressed and cannot wait until I put these on my car and see what they could do on the road. Thank you for viewing this video, and like and subscribe for more. Have a good one.